to my office now.
You sent for me, Ma.
I have a surprise for you.
Ma?
I said I have a surprise for you.
Okay. Ma, this...
As you can see, you've been fired. Leave this office this minute or I lose it.
Ma...
2 seconds or I get you arrested. Leave. I need a new assistant.
No, but this is not fair now. How can you just send her away without even hearing from me? I'm supposed to come and pick her up. You could have waited now. No, this is not fair. This is not fair. This is not fair. What is this now? Come on, there has to be something you can do. What is all this? Like, who even does that? You just send the kid home without even seeing me. Like, am I not supposed to go pick her? In one day? Really? In one day? How bad can it get now?
What's my schedule for today?
Oh yeah, you promised to go through the guidance legal services proposal. Then at 10:30 you're supposed to have a meeting with Barrister Mark. And 11:30 you have a meeting with Alhaji Tanko. And yeah, so exactly after your lunch break, which is at 12:30, you're supposed to be meeting with the board of directors. That's pretty much it for today, man.
Very good.
Thank you, man.
How is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me with the foot massage? Did you hear me?
Yeah, sure. Of course.
Thank you. This one. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Let me come for you too. Arinze. Arinze.
Ma!
Arinze, I'm your boss. See, I've got all it takes to change your life. Arinze, you're handsome, intelligent, hardworking, and you're sexually appealing. You really got it big down here. See, each time I look towards this direction, I'm always carried away. I mean, let's have fun, okay? See, I'll give you whatever you want.
Ma, please.
What?
I can't do this with you. You're my boss, for God's sakes.
I mean, can't you see? I want you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I can't do this.
Are you walking out on me?
I'm not walking out on you, Ma. Sorry.
You know what? Just get out. Get out! Let's go.
Every decision brings some good, some bad, some lessons, and some luck. But the only thing that's certain is that indecision steals many years from people who wing up wishing they just had the courage to live. What's wrong with you?
I was heading to your office.
Why were you heading to my office? Couldn't you wait for me to get home?
The landlord has already locked the door. He said he doesn't want to see us in that place again.
No, he's saying, what do you mean he doesn't want to? What about our property? The things we have in the house, what happened? Talk to me.
He was telling the neighbors that he sees them and we must pay off before he take them back. And some of our things are outside, like our gas cooker and the clothes you washed before leaving.
It's fine. It's fine. Let's go home, okay? It's okay.
Daddy,
What?
I was sent away from school.
Yeah. I'm going to sort that out, okay? I already spoke with your principal. Let's go to the house.
Sunrise paints the sky, another day comes. I stand alone, bird in hand, feeling ocean's green. In my heart, I'm bond unbroken, strong and true. Your smile guides me through the way. Stay with you, stay with you. And all through the storm, I'll stand by you. Never let you like a thing. My love for you, it guides me through the way. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. My prayer, my all, my everything. I'm here for you. My prayer, my baby, my joy, my all. I'm here for you. I'm here with you. I'll stand by you. My all, my baby, my all. I love you. I love you to the end. Baby girl, I love you.
Oh,
Daddy,
yeah?
is this our new house?
Yeah, for now, okay? But in no time we'll leave this place.
Oh, Daddy, this is an uncompleted
Pearl!
building.
Pearl, I know, I can see it, okay? But like I said, it's just for now. Alright, let's go in. It's just for now.
Daddy, I can't stay in this place.
Pearl, can you not do this? This is the only option we have. Listen, it's just for today, okay? By tomorrow, we'll leave this place. Do you understand? Pearl, come on, do you understand? Please. Oh my goodness. Baby, we don't have a choice. Alright? Just manage, okay? Okay? That's my girl. Kai, what's up now? You've not said anything, relating to the message I sent you. How far do you know now? I'll pay you back. I said I'll pay you back. Huh? You don't know how things are for me. Things are really tough. It was easier when my wife was alive and she was, taking care of most of these things. Now she's no more and I've lost my job. Guy, listen. Emeka, listen. It's something I know you can do. Just help me, please. Please, I'm in a serious fix here. I swear I'll pay back. I swear I'll pay back. Believe me. You say what? I don't have a job, so how will I? Because do you think I'm going to remain like this forever? Amen.
Daddy, let's go home. I don't like this place. It's so scary. And everywhere I go, I see cockroaches and rats. I don't like it. Ow! And there are mosquito bites. Daddy, please, let's go home. Please. I don't want to stay here.
It's okay. Hey, everything will be fine, okay? Everything will be fine, I promise, okay? Don't cry.
Daddy, are you crying?
I'm not crying. I'm not crying. Something got into my eyes. It's okay. Of course I can't cry. Daddy's here for you.
I want you to come to my office first thing tomorrow morning, if you can.
Okay, ma. I will. Thank you, ma. Hello, ma. Sure. I'll be there right away. Thank you, ma. Um, Pearl. Um, Pearl, how are you? So I'll go get you water to take your bath, okay? I'm taking you somewhere safe. Alright? I have to be somewhere.
Okay, Daddy, but am I not going to school?
I'll sort that out, okay? But now you have to take your bath. I'm coming. Okay?
I'll get you a better apartment, promote you to a high-level staff, give you some cool cash, and change your life for good. All you need to do is satisfy me whenever I need your services. And everything we do stays between us. I don't want to date you, but anytime I want you, just come to me. I assure you, your life will be changed for good.
Your offer is quite tempting, man. But the things I promised myself, that I'll never have anything to do with you.
You don't need to give me an answer right now. Go home, have a rethink. Then come back with your feedback. You have the whole of today to think about it.
Really?
Seriously, I don't know why I'm just crazy over that guy.
Listen, Gina, you don't need to force your staff to love you. Come on.
Who's talking about love? Rennie, I'm not talking about love. I mean, just a one night stand. Ever since I discovered that big stuff within his legs.
Wait a minute. How did that even happen?
I'm sorry. Can you just hurry? What's funny now? No, tell me what's funny.
Please just allow me laugh. Because this is crazy. So, you mean because you saw his, you saw that he was packing really big down there. You just, sorry, I need to laugh this out. Like,
laugh, Rennie, laugh all you want. What's that?
You saw that he was packing big, he just fell and screwed over him. But come on, sis. Not every guy who packs it big down there can actually use it very well. You should know that.
Rennie, not this guy. No, not this guy. I'm certain that this guy knows how to use that thing very well. Yeah. Yeah. This guy, everything in his body can make you go crazy. So sexually appealing.
You are so naughty.
I agree. See, you know that I'm comporting myself, eh? Huh? I don't fall hand, Tete.
Trust me, you're rotten.
I agree, Santorini. No problem.
Oh, come on. But jokes apart, darling, you need to call this dude back to work. Come on, it's not worth it. Listen, how does that even sound? That you laid him off simply because he rejected your offer? Come on, it's just...
Rainy, no man has ever rejected me. Yes, no man. And he won't be the first. Don't worry, he will come back when hunger comes knocking on his door. Yeah, he will come back.
What if he doesn't come back?
He will come back. Hunger is not your mate. He will come back. Once hunger
Well, I thought it was something really serious when you called me to come out, but apparently you're super okay.
So this is not serious now.
I know it isn't. You are going nuts. Come on.
Rennie,
You don't force someone to love you, do you?
Rennie, I'm not talking about love. Just one night with him. What's talking about love? This is love, please.
Oh, Gina!
And I move.
You've lost it officially. You've lost it.
Because you've not seen it.
No, I need to go home. I need to go relax. Yes. Yes. You're not.
Babe, have you thought about the fact that it could be you? It could be your fault. You keep asking this guy for one night stand. It's not to be professing and declaring your love for him. It's not every man that wants this one night stand thing. Some men want love, like real, true love.
Babe, I don't love. Yes, I don't. Love is not just my thing, and you know.
Love is not just your thing.
Yes.
But you're head over heels for the guy.
Oh God, babe, he's my staff. Oh, sorry. Ex-staff.
You know it's even crazy that you sacked this guy.
Oh.
And now you can't stop like thinking about him.
See, I'm not that lovey-dovey stuff, all those things, okay? I just want that thing between his legs. You know now. See, babe, you don't understand. I don't do love. I just have my fun and move on. That's it. Love is not for me.
I know. You just have your fun. You just want that thing to... Maybe it's your fault. It's your type of people that will make good guys, like cool, great guys, see us and run away. Because they think we just want to use them and dump them or control them. They see your type and then they judge us.
That's on you. For me, I just have the fun and move on. Yeah, I move. I don't have time to love, start dating, It's not just my thing. I just have fun, get what I want, and move.
Yeah, just get it.
You know,
and
whatever.
You're not alright.
Let it be.
Just you take your own heart and put it down, use a stone and smash it. And then tomorrow, it's not looking for who you blame. Stop all this your fun and love and be lost. Stop it. Gina, you're my friend. I'm telling you because we are friends.
When did you say you were going to?
Yeah. Pearl, what is it? What is the problem? Take you asked for this thing now. Okay, what do you want?
I want to go home and I want to go to school.
Come on, you think I don't know that? Of course I know you want to go home and I'm working on it. Huh? Just take this thing. Please don't make this any harder than it is for me already, okay? Bro, can you stop this now? Do you know what I go through to make sure we're fine? The least you could do is help me here. Take this thing. You asked for it. Look, this will be over soon, I'll show you.
Dad, is that not your friend?
They are.
What about everything?
Good morning. I'll call you right back.
Okay?
Who are you?
My name is Arinze. And that's my daughter Pearl.
And what are you doing in my property?
Yes, I lied to her that I know the owner of the property.
Go on.
Well, the thing is, I lost my job. And on the same day, she was kicked out of school. My landlord also ejected us on that same day. I just wanted to settle her school fees, you know, before attending to the rent. Unfortunately, we were kicked out. We're going to leave. We're going to leave. If you want us to leave right now, we'll leave. I just didn't want her stranded. That's why I brought her here. We needed a shelter. I hope you understand. But we could leave. Like right now.
I'm so sorry about you losing your job and the situation with your daughter's school. I know it's not easy, but it seems I added a little bit to it by taking both of you to the police station. But in my defense, I had to. You know, it's not really easy just meeting someone in your property and you just let them, you know. Well, now that you've been cleared by the police, I'm satisfied and I understand that you're a citizen and everything is okay, so I'm good.
Thank you, Ma. I understand. I appreciate it. Thank you, Ma, once again.
Well, my name is Rainy. You can call me Rainy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rainy.
Sure. Your daughter, She is super smart, I must say.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. I was so impressed when the principal was telling me about her. I did not expect that you've raised such. Damn, you're really smart, trust me.
She took after her mother.
Oh.
Thank you for everything.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you very much, Ma. Sorry.
My name is Rainy.
Thank you very much, Rainy.
It's okay.
You're a
It's okay.
lifesaver.
It's fine. It's fine. I'm sorry once again for putting you through all of that. It must have been really embarrassing. You seeing yourself at the police station, even your daughter's school. I mean, but it's insecurity. You know how it is. The country is bad.
You did what you had to do, Ma. I'm Rainy. Oh,
Yeah, sure.
thank you once again.
This is the main area of the house. This is where I stay. Okay. And this is you. Yes.
This?
Yes, and that key. Yes.
Thank you very much, Ma.
Go in and check it before you say thank you.
Thank you so much, Auntie, for everything.
You're welcome. Go take a look.
Ma. This is too much.
It's okay. All you need to do is focus, do your job, you know, for the sake of your daughter. You have nothing to worry about, okay?
Auntie,
Yes, darling.
so
You're welcome. Keep smiling, okay? Alright, take care.
Thank you once again.
Of course. Anytime. Arinze! Get the keys.
Ma, I want to take your permission. I would like to go drop Pearl at school. If you don't mind. That's it.
It won't be a problem, but I'm expecting a delivery, so no, you can't go. Okay, let's do this. How about I drop her off at school, then, though it's not convenient, but then go to work.
You will?
Sure, why not?
Thank you very much, Ma.
But is she ready?
Yeah, she's ready. Pearl!
Okay.
Come on, take it. What are your shoes for God's sake? 1 minute, Ma.
It's okay.
Arinze, I miss you. No, I mean the company misses you. Arinze, it's not what you think. I promise. Everything is gonna be fine. I won't do that again, I promise. Yes. See, we need you. The company needs you, your services, everything. Please. Arinze, please just come. I'm just going to have a cordial boss-staff relationship with you. I promise. You've gotten another job. Arinze, come on now. It's just 4 days. Arinze. Hello? Hello?
Welcome, ma.
Oh, thank you.
Do you need my help with anything?
No, I don't.
Okay, ma.
Hey,
Welcome, ma.
thank you.
Excuse me, ma.
Arinze,
Ma?
can we drop this now? I told you my name is Rennie.
Boy, you're my boss, ma.
As your boss, I'm ordering you to call me Rennie. Okay?
Okay, Miss Rainey.
Oh, you want to talk to me about something?
Yes, ma. I wanted to tell you that my former boss called.
Oh, okay.
Yes, she's asking me to come back.
Oh,
But I toned her down, ma. Sorry, Miss Rainey.
really? Why?
I think I'm at peace here. You know, besides, I don't want to be moving Pearl up and down from one place to the other. So we're fine here, ma. Sorry, Miss Rainey.
Parents are always putting their children first. It's okay. I think you made the right decision, even though the pay is not much, but it's okay. But I'm surprised. I'm surprised you took that decision.
Well, ma, that's what I want to do, ma.
Rainy.
Sorry. Miss Rainey. Sorry, ma. Sorry, Miss Rainey.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
You are a good father, I must say.
Thank you. Thank you.
Speaking about Pearl, where is she?
She's taking a nap inside. I always make sure she does that after, you know, when she returns from school. That's, of course, after taking her bath.
I said it. You are a good father. Keep it up.
Thank you, Miss Rainey.
When she wakes up, tell her to come inside and have something for her, okay?
Okay, I will.
Yeah, sure. Ooh, I do not want to be nosy, but sorry.
Okay. It's alright.
Where's your mom?
Her mom is my first girlfriend. Yes, we lost her during Pearl's birth. She had some complications and we lost her.
Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Wow. I didn't mean to intrude. Oh my God. Sorry. Sorry about that. Just tell her I got her something. She can come in. Sorry, you can go back to your duty post. I'm so sorry.
Thank you, Miss Rain.
Babe, take it easy on yourself. You don't have to be feeling this way. Huh? Although I hate to say this, but I did tell you. I told you, come on, I told you to talk to him. Now he has left you. He has gotten a better job. He has even moved out of his place. You can't even find him. There are no traces whatsoever. It's going to be fine. But please, next time, listen to me. I'm your friend. We've gone even past that. We're like sisters. I won't lead you astray. Cheer up. Okay? What do I do? I don't know. It's okay. Come on. It's fine. This is crazy. Huh?
Sunrise paints the sky, another day comes. I stand alone, bird in hand, feeling ocean's green. In my heart, I'm bond unbroken, strong and true. Your smile guides me through the way. Stay with you, stay with you. And all through the storm, I'll stand by you. Never let you like a thing. My love for you, it guides me through the way. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. My prayer, my faith, my joy, my all. I'm here for you. I'm here with you. I'll stand by you. My all, my baby, my all. I love you. I love you to the end. My baby girl, I love you. I love you.
State and capital of Umaya, Adamawa, Yola, Akaibo, Uyo, Anambra, Oka, Bauchi, Bayelsa, Yenawa, Beni Makodi, Bonu Benukudi, Cross River, Calabar, Delta, Asaba, Ebony, Abakirke, Edo, City, Okiti, Adekiti, Enugu, Gombe, Imo, Tigawa. Kaduna, come.
Oh.
I said it. You are super smart.
Oh.
Oh. Wow. Continue. Do not stop on my account. I did get you sweaty. Sorry. Continue.
Okay. Imo, Owerri, Jigawa, Duse. Kaduna, Kano, Katsina, Beni, Kebi, Kogi, Lokoja, Para, Ilori, Lagos, Ikeja, Nasara, Lafia, Nanja, Mina, Ogu, Abeokuta, Osho, Oyo, Ibadan, Plateau, Jos, River, Port Harcourt, Sokoto, Taraba,
Jalingo.
Okay.
No, continue. You're almost done.
Asara Duse FCC Abuja.
Yes, you did great. You know what? I owe you an ice cream.
What'd you say?
Thank you, Auntie.
But I'm sweaty. I don't want to get you dirty. So just continue. She's smart.
Thank you.
Uh,
Thank you.
You know it's okay.
What a smart and intelligent girl. Wow, her father has done a really good job with her. Nice.
Me, I can't do that though.
Do what?
My sister. She said she's crushing on her gate man.
And so?
What's and so?
And so what?
Gate man.
Gate man is just the title. Gate man. He's still a man. Remove the gates. Man.
I don't understand. Of all people.
Of
gate
all
man.
people, says who, girl? You're the one that is also crushing and wanting your PA so bad. You want that guy.
Have you seen my PA?
Mm-hmm.
Besides, I'm not crushing on him, okay? I just want a piece of that. You know.
So what are you saying?
What am I saying?
Your sister also wants her gate man. Have you seen the gate man?
I can't see the gate man. Can never be me. What's that?
It is you.
Can never
always
be you. God forbid.
Girl, what is PA? PA gate man, the same thing.
I'm suspecting. Actually, you're not dating your gate man.
Something is wrong with you.
Because
something is wrong with
all
you.
those while I'll come and you'll be giving him food.
Calling kettle black.
Let me call.
Please come and see me off.
Man, let me see you off.
Pretenders doing the worst.
You carry your big nyash and give gate
I
man.
don't care.
Nyash.
Arinze,
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. It's raining.
I have given this a lot of thought. I think Pearl and yourself should move in with me.
What? Sorry. Raining. It's raining. We're very comfortable where we are. We're fine. Honestly.
Well, I'm not doing it for you. It's actually for Pearl. You see, as a child, she needs, I think she needs space. I feel like you as an adult, you can actually cope and manage. But for her, I feel she might have it a little bit difficult, adjusting to things. So I thought it wise that, since I have so much space in this place, you could just move. You guys could move in. That's if you want to. And I know you don't want to be separated from your daughter. So that's why I'm asking you to, move in with her. But you can as well still stay back while she moves in here with me. I know it might sound, it's coming out wrong, but children, kids our age, they really do not understand the complexities of life. I understand you're trying to teach her about life, but I feel like, she needs a suitable environment for her to grow and relax after school so she could come up to pace with her mates. I'm just saying.
Well, if that's not much of a bother for you.
No, it's not. I thought about it before asking you.
Thank you, Mom. Miss Rainy. Thanks for the kind gesture.
You're welcome. Mm. Well, if you don't mind, I could go show you the room right away, so you could just move in.
Sure.
Yeah.
After you.
Go. Come. I want you to work for my company, Rainy Estates and Properties. But of course, it's your choice. I wouldn't want to force you into doing something you don't want to. Listen, I don't want you as my security man anymore. I mean, you told me you're a graduate and I feel like this job is too menial for you to, leverage on, considering the fact that you have a daughter. But I do not want to use that to blackmail you. No, not at all. I'm just saying that I feel since you have a girl child, you should be more prepared for the future. So I feel like this would do you and her a lot of good. But it's still a choice you have to make.
I really don't know what to say.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, that's a yes. Of course, and I'm going to benefit a lot from it because I've actually seen the things you do. And thanks for accepting.
Thanks for that vote of confidence. I won't disappoint you.
Well, it's okay. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You did what? Ew! Really? Wait, you did it with a gate man? Come on now, really. Of all men in the world, bankers, pilots, a gate man. You're not serious, girl. That's disgusting. Hey God, my sister is not okay. Oh my God. Really? You know what? I'm coming to see you. Yes, I'm coming. What's that? A gate man. Get out of my phone. I'm coming. Ah! Ew!
So, my sister is coming today,
Hmm.
and you will get to meet her.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we don't really talk about your family, so yes, I'll be pleased to meet her.
Yes, I know that. The truth is, we're just two in my house.
Okay.
My mom, may God rest her soul, she's late. My dad, he lives in Abuja, and he lives alone in Abuja. But right now, he's a bit sick, and my sister wants to go visit him because he said he wanted her to come around. So
I'm sorry about that.
it's okay.
I'm so sorry about your mom and Terry.
Thank
I'm so
you.
sorry.
Thank you. I'm fine now, okay?
And Shirley,
Yes, baby.
I would like to meet your father. Would he like to meet me and my daddy?
Well, I'm sure he would love to.
So can we eat now? Remember table manners.
Okay, Dad.
Trust me, she's super intelligent. Oh, I think that's my sister.
Let me get the gate.
Come on, you're no more the security man. I'll just get the gate. Okay?
Well, neither are you, boss.
Excuse me, pal. I'll be right back, okay?
Okay, Auntie.
Excuse me.
Daddy,
Yeah?
it looks like you like Auntie Rainy.
We like everyone. Now can we eat?
Were you waiting for chariots to get you out? Come out.
I thought you had a gate man.
Well, I fired him.
Why?
Don't worry. I have a surprise for you. Just go inside.
Surprise.
Really? I have some new friends I need to
hug your
introduce to
sister.
you.
What's
No,
that?
no. Just come on in. Come in. Come in. Come. I have something for you. I know you will like. Some new friends.
Okay.
Yes.
Really?
Trust me. Trust me. You will love them. I'm sure you love them. Okay, so baby, that's you can call her Auntie Gina. This is my sister.
Hi, Auntie Gina.
So when I refused to sleep with her, she laid me off.
I know. She told me everything. She did. Listen, I'm sorry. On her behalf, I'm truly sorry for what she's made you go through.
It's okay.
You and your daughter.
It's okay. It's okay. It's all in the past now.
So, would you ever forgive her genuinely?
I already have.
Mm.
I've moved on. As a matter of fact, I am focusing on more important things.
You should.
And this is one of them. Rainy, you have been like an angel sent to me. And it would be a crime on my part if I let you slide off my fingers just like that. I've decided to make this permanent, Rainy. Please make me the happiest man. So please, Rainy, Max. I'd like you to go over with me.
And to see yes. See yes.
Where did you pop up from? Just let me do this thing.
Oh, God. You guys are two peas in a pod.
You
It's just say yes.
might want to say that. So, I would love you to grow old with me, Rainy.
Yes.
Yes.
That's a yes.
Yay.
We got a yes.
I have fallen in love with you. I'm in love with you. I have fallen in love with you. I'm in love.
Babe, have you thought about the fact that it could be you? It could be your fault. You keep asking this guy for one night stand. It's not to be professing and declaring your love for him. It's not every man that wants this one night stand thing. Some men want love, like real, true love.
Babe, I don't love. Yes, I don't. love is not just my thing, and you know.
Love is not just your thing.
Yes.
But you're head over heels for the guy.
Oh God, babe, he's my staff. Oh, sorry. Ex-staff.
You know, it's even crazy that you sacked this guy.
Oh.
And now you can't stop thinking about him.
See, I'm not that lovey-dovey stuff, all those things, okay? I just want that thing between his legs. You know now. See, babe, you don't understand. I don't do love. I just have my fun and move on. That's it. Love is not for me.
I know. You just have your fun. You just want that thing to... Maybe it's your fault. It's your type of people that will make good guys, like cool, great guys, see us and run away. Because they think we just want to use them and dump them or control them. They see your type and then they judge us.
That's on you. For me, I just have the fun and move on. Yeah, I move. I don't have time to love, start dating, It's not just my thing. I just have fun, get what I want, and move.
Yeah, just get it.
You know,
and
whatever.
You're not alright.
Let it be.
Just you take your own heart and put it down, use a stone and smash it. And then tomorrow, it's not looking for who you blame. Stop all this your fun and love and be lost. Stop it. Gina, you're my friend. I'm telling you because we are friends.
Did you come to my office, my company, to yell at me? Rainy, are you mad?
Obviously, you are the mad one amongst us. You are raving mad. Let me warn you, do not even try. Do not make any attempt on me. Because if you do, it will be your last on earth. Is that understood, Gina? What are you even mad about, tell me? Was I the one who pushed him out of the company? Was I the one who laid him off? Tell me. Was I also the one who wanted him for just one night? It was all you! You alone, Gina! I had nothing to do with it. This will be my last time that I will come here to warn you on this matter. Don't you even dare! Don't try it! Leave what is mine and mine alone. Is that understood?
He has even engaged her. Okay. We shall see about that. Imagine. Such guts. Fine.
Did you have to go confront her? Was that even necessary? That was uncalled for.
First off, she yelled at me. She said some mean stuff to me. So I had to respond. You don't just expect me to keep quiet and watch her just talk to me the way she pleases.
You could have just walked away. Yes, all you needed to do was walk away. Alright? Come on, I don't want this to look like you're having issues with your elder sister because of me.
Well, it wasn't any issue. I just told her to stay away from, us. That's all. Nothing serious.
Look, there are other ways you could have handled this thing. Be the bigger person.
Knowing Gina the way I know her, there is no better way. I just had to do it. Come on.
My goodness. I feel like you could have handled this thing better.
What are you doing here?
Oh my God.
What are you doing here? Last time I checked, this isn't your office address. This is my house. What do you want?
Really, this is not necessary.
Please, I need to do this. Come on.
Rainy, I'm sorry. I truly am sorry. I'm sorry for all the things I said to you. I shouldn't have. Come on, really, you're my only sister. We shouldn't be doing this. You can have Arinze.
I have him already.
It's fine. I promise I won't do it again. Please.
It's okay. I'm also sorry. I said a lot of mean stuff too, and I'm sorry. Come here. Come on.
Thank you, sis. I missed you.
You're so troublesome.
I also came to tell you that Dad will be coming tomorrow.
Really?
Yes.
Oh. Well, he didn't tell me when we talk.
He wanted to surprise you, maybe.
Wow. What is it?
Arinze, you get to see my father when he comes tomorrow, right?
Of course. It's been my pleasure.
Yeah.
So like I was saying, babe.
Give me the just. Oh. Pearl,
Are you
right?
okay?
Yeah.
Oh, baby, how are you?
Pearl, you remember my sister, right? Gina.
Auntie Gina.
Yes.
She's so beautiful.
Trust me, she is super smart.
I can see.
You don't want to know. You need to see things that this girl is doing. Why was this? Sit!
Oh.
Can't just come and stand here all day. What do you want to drink?
It can be everything.
What's everything? Cook what? Come on, go cut those nails and start to cook in your own house. No one is just there. Go to the kitchen and cook for us. What's that?
I'm hungry. Is it we should just... Papa.
Yes, dear.
I'm happy I'm seeing you.
Same here.
Oh my God. So how's your health?
Yeah.
What we see.
Ready? Meet Arinze. He's the manager of Rainy Estate and Properties. My manager.
I'm pleased to meet you, sir.
And this is my dad.
Same here. You're welcome, my son.
Thank you.
Please sit.
Thank you.
And Daddy is also her fiance.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But Rainy never told me she was engaged.
Well, that I was about to say before she spilled. Sorry, Dad. Oh, I seem to be having a lot of guests today. Let me just use that. Gina!
Yes.
Behave! I'll be right back.
Well. Okay, sir. That's our in-law to be.
It's good to finally meet you, sir.
Same here.
Your daughter said a lot about you. I'm glad that I finally met you.
Good. So how are you doing?
I'm fine. Fine, thank you, sir.
Same here.
Oh, you think I won't trace you here? Arrange it.
God has punished you today. Officers, arrest him. He's the man that got me pregnant and he thinks he can run away with some random girl to go get married to her. Arrest him, take him away.
What is she talking about? Have I met you before? Look, I don't know this woman. Where's this woman from?
Young man, you're under arrest.
No, you can't say I'm under arrest. How can someone just walk in here? I don't understand.
What's going on here? No, you can't just barge into this house and accuse someone. Are you okay?
Take a look at this. Can you see it? Are you blind? Arinze, look at it.
No, now this thing was obviously doctored now.
This
thing was doctored. This is Photoshop.
Can you see?
Let's go.
Babe, you don't have to believe this nonsense. This is Photoshop.
Officers, move in.
Look, they can't just arrest me now. This thing was obviously doctored.
Move.
Babe, you have to believe me. This is not true.
Arinze!
Move. Babe, you have to believe me. Listen, this is definitely a setup. Somebody's trying to set me up. Look, I'm sure you'll find out that this is not real.
Going.
I'm sure you'll find out that this is not real. Come back here!
Where do you think you're going to?
Dad, I need to go to the station. I need to understand what's going on because everything is so confusing right now.
How? Just listen to yourself. Did you not see the evidence? That the young man slept with that lady and got her pregnant. Now listen, you are not seeing him. Yes. Why do you want to get yourself involved with that gold digger? Huh? Why? Now let me tell you. You are not getting married to him. I am not going to accept anything from him. Get that into your head. This is not the kind of life I want for you and your elder sister.
Dad, listen, it's not the way you see things.
Enough of that boy! Let him face his problem. Now, you are going to relieve him of his duties in your company?
No.
Now listen, you don't talk when I'm talking. That young man is irresponsible. He might deny you or run away with your money. Sit down here. Sit down. Nonsense.
Rennie, Dad is very angry. I mean, he's so disappointed. Stop crying, stop crying. Arinze didn't do well at all. I mean, he would have opened up to you. Oh, I thought that guy was a gentleman. Huh? Denying that pregnant lady? Huh, it's crazy. It's okay, my baby. Stop crying. Yeah. Don't worry. You know what? I'll go help you talk to Dad, okay? Since he's still in my house, I'll go talk to him. Yes. It's fine. Don't worry. I'll do anything to make him have a change of mind. Don't worry. You'll be fine. He will listen to you, okay? I'm going right now. Right now. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Bye.
Why, Arinze? Why? What's this? God.
Auntie
Hey, baby. I thought you were sleeping. Weren't you asleep?
where is Daddy?
Good question. Your dad, he had some urgent work there he had to go attend to. I know he was supposed to come tell you a bedtime story, so I'll come to your room and tell you a good story.
Okay, Auntie.
Yes. And I'm going to tell you the story about the princess who was locked in a castle. How do you say that one?
Yay!
Okay, off you go. Brush your teeth. I'll be right there, okay?
Okay.
What do I do? What do I do? Where do I start from? Oh God.
Daddy,
Yes, dear.
just let her see him.
But let me ask you, what business does she have with that young man? An irresponsible man. See, she should forget about him.
Daddy, it's just an harmless visit.
Fine, fine. But I can assure you that all I want is I don't want the both of them again.
Oh,
I don't want that relationship to continue.
okay, Daddy. Don't worry, I'll sort it out with Rainy, okay?
It's okay.
So when are you leaving?
That will be next tomorrow. I will pass the night in her house. There, we will now take off.
Her house.
Yes, now.
Daddy, what of my house?
I've been staying with you now.
It's never enough. But it's fine. Anything you want, no problem.
No problem. Please monitor your sister very closely with that boy. I don't want her to continue with that boy when he comes down from police custody. I don't want it.
Papa, it's okay.
It's okay.
I'll sort it out.
You know I'm telling you all this because you are her elder sister. I don't want any man to come and rule the lives of my daughters. Most especially now that both of you are doing well in your field. All eyes are on you.
Daddy, worry no. Nothing is happening to us, okay?
Alright, if you said so.
Yeah.
No problem.
You have slept in my house.
I've been staying with you since now. Is she not your sister?
It's okay. It's okay.
Alright. Oh, so good.
Yeah.
Make sure you do everything I've just said.
I will.
Alright.
Auntie Rainy,
Yes, baby.
please, can I go see my daddy?
Well, yes, you will see your daddy. But you just close from school, so of course I have to take you home. Then get something to eat. You do your time and take a little nap. Don't worry, you'll see daddy in due time. He's very busy. He had some work to do, okay? Urgent work.
But I want to see him now.
Do you want ice cream? So we could just stop by and get some.
No, I don't want anything else. I just want to see my daddy.
Yes. How about some snacks? Of course, you're going.
I just want to see my daddy.
Okay, that's fine. You will see your daddy. I promise. But you know what? I'll take you home, and after you shower, I'll take you to go see your daddy. Is that okay? Who does those beautiful eyes belong to?
My daddy's.
Good. So you're going to see your daddy. Trust me, okay?
Hell. Baby, what are you doing? Oh my God. Why are you crying? What are you doing? You're alone outside. Why are you crying? What is it?
I want to see my daddy.
Well, you will definitely see your daddy. Is that why you're crying? You don't have to cry, you'll see him, okay?
Please, can you call my daddy on the phone? I want to speak with him.
Okay, you know what? Sit. Good girl. Now, listen. Your daddy is an adult. As adults, they are what we call adult duties. And if, your daddy is just doing his own bit, he's been working. He had some emergency that he's attending to. I tried to call him earlier, but because of security, he couldn't take his call. Then I left him a message. And I'm sure he's going to call his angel when he's done with the meeting. Pearl? Hello? Says, well, yeah, I was told you were at the station earlier. The lady that accused him, she's insisting on marriage. No. He vehemently refused to sign. He claims he doesn't know her. He's never seen her before. He doesn't know what she's talking about. And I'm tempted to. I don't know what to believe. But the problem is, she keeps bringing out pictures of both of them in bed together. I'm confused. I don't know what to do. I'm confused. Baby girl! Mike, are you serious right now? Of all the women in the world, he was my best friend. He said he cheated on me with... Oh, Gina, shut up! Yes.
my daughter, based on what is happening, you can see you don't even know much about the so-called Arinze. You don't have any information about him. So I will advise you to return his daughter to him. Because keeping her here is a big risk. You know what an elder sees while sitting? If you like, climb the highest Iroko, the tallest one. You will not be able to see it. And of course, you know I will not deceive you. I will not. So it's a big risk keeping that girl here. So find a way and return her to her father. Biko.
I will do no such thing, Dad. No, I won't do that. Do you remember when Mom died? How would you have felt if you were separated from us? You would have wanted someone to help us. And that's what I'm doing. She's young. She's innocent. She has no blame in all of this. Why should she suffer? She has no one right now. I will be someone for her. I'll keep her here with me. I'll take care of her.
Remy, I think Dad is right. Can you just find a way to take the girl back? Because Arinze, he's not what we think he is.
He's exactly what I think he is.
Give it a thought. Dad, I'll talk to her. You can be so stubborn. No.
You better do, because I know what I'm talking.
It's crazy. It's okay, Dad.
Oh. Sorry? What? I don't get it! What in the world is going on here? I don't get this! Just a couple of days ago, you were pregnant! No! What are you explaining? Where's your pregnant? Get out! What are you doing here?
Gina, allow me.
Shut up!
Leave me alone.
Let me talk!
Okay,
What do you want to say? Gina! Let her talk. What? You should get out. Gina, let her talk.
Dad. I am so sorry.
Sit down, Gina. Sit!
Okay. Please, I am so sorry. Forgive me. I can't continue living like this. Gina paid me to fake the pregnancy.
What?
Please, I am so sorry. My conscience has been judging me ever since then. I am sorry. I need to let this go so I can be free. I've not been myself ever since then.
No, you do not deserve to be free. No. Keep quiet. Do you have proof of what you're saying?
Yes, I have.
Can I see it?
This is the transfer. This is the transfer she made to me. Please, I am sorry. I don't know who Arinze is. I've not met Arinze the whole my life. Like, I don't know him.
What?
I'm so sorry.
No, you're not sorry. No, you are not sorry. You did what you wanted to do, but how could you?
I'm so sorry.
For how much exactly?
I am sorry. Please.
You were ready to destroy someone's life over money?
I am so sorry.
No, you do not deserve forgiveness. I definitely do not have anything to forgive here. You should go ask God for forgiveness.
Gina, it's her fault.
You know what?
I am sorry. Please
leave.
Forgive me.
Get out!
Please, I need you to forgive me to clear my conscience.
Please just get out!
Jesus Christ.
Gina, how could you do this to your own blood sister?
That she's not my sister. I don't have a sister. Don't even touch me.
I'm sorry. Daddy. Dad, please help me beg her.
Wait, I should help you beg her?
Yes, Daddy.
Hey.
I'm sorry.
Don't touch me, Gina.
Okay.
How could you?
jealous. I'm sorry. I don't have any explanation. I don't know. Please, I'm sorry.
I know we're still little. But do you remember when Mom died? How would you have felt if Dad was taken away from us?
Sorry.
Gina, you came to this house. You held that little girl close to you. All the while, you concocted a plan to put away our father. I am embarrassed to be your sister. Gina, listen. I have had my limit. I can't do this anymore.
I'm sorry. I was jealous. I'm sorry.
Just listen to yourself.
Gina, I've forgiven you a lot of times. Gina, don't. Gina, don't touch me, please.
But in hand, feeling oceans green. In my heart, a bond unbroken, strong and true. Your smile guides me through the way. Stay with you, I'll stay with you. And all through the storm, I'll stand by you. Never let you like a thing. My love for you, it guides me through the way. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. My prayer, my all, my everything. I'm here for you. My prayer, my baby, my joy.